Yeah, Monson basically we are pioneering AC to DC converter, means power converter and signal handling. In power converter we have AC to DC, DC to DC converters, and some filter circuits are there. So any power requirement of industry we are there, and for mainly in industrial automation isolation transmitter are required. So we have more than 100 types of isolation amplifier, and we are catering to India market.
So what are the industries where your AC-DC converter and DC-DC converter are applicable?
Okay. See, we have all type of industry. The basically process automation, then industrial control equipments. These are then we are into medical, we are into telecommunication. We supply product to for railway products. So these and we are trying for automation nowadays because Monson is having automotive certificates, and in other countries we are supply for automotive components for automotive industries. So India just we are working with few automotive companies, and I hope we will be through soon.
So you are manufacturing in India or you are manufacturing China only?
Manufacturing in Guangzhou, China.
So are you planning to manufacture in India as well?
Not yet, no plan. We have not thought about it, to be frank.
Since the Indian market is expanding, so isn't it worthwhile that you manufacture your products here in India and then reduce the cost, and the cost means the benefit passed on to your customers?
Basically, at this moment we have not thought about it, but future we may think about it too.
So what is your production capacity there in China?
Production capacity 2 million pieces per day.
And you are supplier all over the world, or is a reason?
Yeah, almost we are supplying all over the world, more than 40 countries, including America, Europe, and Korea, and of course in China. And India we have good customer base. So that is one good thing. Our customer base is from north to south, east to west. So everywhere, every sector we have, whatever sector I have told you, every sector we have customers. So that is a good sign for us.
What is your expense on research and development into your product?
Yeah, research and development Monson expenditures are more than around 15 to 20%. Sir. Yeah, every year we launch, every year we most update our products and offer some benefits with the same price to our customers. So last year their R2 series family was there. So we have offered some better future in terms of our isolation, in terms of short circuit protection, and we have offered the same product to customer at the same price. And this year we have launched with the new R3 products. So which is R3 product is standby current is we have reduced. So that is there. Many technical parameters are there. So we have strong R&D, and we spend much more money in R&D. That is there.
So what is your sales network? Do you have your offices here in India, or you have dealer distributor network as well?
Yeah, we have our own office in India, as well as we have our distributor network in India.
So through that you are selling?
Yeah, yes.
So just want to know your, since we are hearing make in India, right? Yeah. And maybe 2 years down the line the manufacturing in full swing will start because a lot of investment is coming to India. So what target you have set for yourself for Indian market?
Yeah, actually for Indian market every year our target is double. Okay. So definitely targeting double in this 2-3 years, but more than that we are targeting in multiple because we are working with many international giants like many automotive and global presence companies like L&T, ABB. So we are working with them. So I think we have a good network here, and sales team is there. Also technical support from our side we are giving in India. Okay, so immediate technical support customer gets since we have office in India. So definitely we expect much more growth from our efforts.
So technical support, you have engineers who are supporting on the products and the after sales service.
Yeah. We have engineers who after sales support. So we have a procedure to take care of technical complaints. So we immediately attend and we satisfy customer for our technical queries.
Back home in China, how big is your establishment there in China, please, for your manufacturing units?
Yeah, China, our manufacturing unit is very big. We have our own manufacturing unit, and around 2,000 people are working there. And we have our Monson own building located in Gunjao, only office. So, and third thing, we have another factory in another province. So two factories in China, and one separate R&D building we are having. So all the infrastructure is there, sir. And our most of the products, I will tell you, since we are good in design, because our team is very good. Monson R&D is very strong. Second thing, we Monson take care of design, and they also monitor what is the future trend and develop the product accordingly. So our since our R&D team is strong, all the infrastructure everywhere we are strong. So that means we can grow, and this is the reason we are growing better every year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.